Welcome to section 4 of Motivation for Peak Performance. Intrinsically motivated people have three characteristics. Number one, they have a desire for self determination. They are seeking independence to work on a task. Just give them the goal and they would figure it out. This is an interesting topic for me. After working abroad for 20 years and working here for a total of 12 years, I noticed that we Filipinos in general prefer to be guided on the steps that we need to take. Foreigners, on the other hand, prefer to establish a goal or set a goal and a direction, and they will just fly with it. They will just figure out how to reach it. They also don't mind reaching out to their bosses or to their peers and colleagues for questions and seeking guidance. However, we Filipinos are usually embarrassed to ask questions. We are embarrassed even to follow up with somebody who is delaying us with our task. Why is that? The second is intrinsically motivated people strive for excellence. They were they are they try to improve and grow with every task and with every assignment. High potential, high performing people I have worked with automatically default to working their best in whatever assignments they have. There is a difference between people striving for perfection and striving for exceeding their best. People seeking perfection usually drive themselves to unhealthy levels of stress. Also, there is no such thing as perfect, so it's a road full of disappointments. There is a saying that perfection is the enemy of great. You cannot be great when you're always striving for perfection. You will always get delays, you will always get imperfect inputs to your work. At the end of the day, there is always room for improvement. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos says that he can make an informed decision, a good informed decision, with 70% of the necessary information at hand. He cannot wait for 100% of the information in order to make a decision. Delaying solving a problem sometimes create a bigger the problem becomes bigger when it is delayed. Question: do you perform at your best with every assignment that you get? Of course, this is a rhetorical question which only you know the answer to. The third characteristic is intrinsically motivated people have a clear purpose. They like doing things with a clear purpose. They always talk about the why of every assignment. They want it clear. The most successful people in life are guided by a clear and meaningful purpose. My purpose in life is equipping leaders. Every job and consulting work I take are aligned to this. Even this workshop or the series of workshops that I do, including the podcast and everything else and the blogs, are all about equipping leaders. Why? Because running with my purpose or doing work that's aligned to my purpose makes me happy. Even the biggest companies in the world have a clearly defined purpose. This is often found in their mission statements. Mission statements or purpose is never about me or never about the company. It's usually bigger than that. It's usually outside myself or outside the company. A few examples are the following: IKEA, create a better life for many people. Microsoft, to help people and business throughout the world realize their full potential. Starbucks, treat people like family. Nike, bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. If you notice, They never talk about themselves in their mission. They also do not mention what they do. They mention only their intent or their purpose or the reason for their existence. How about you? What do you think is your purpose all about?